Ever wonder how some people manage to stay healthy and fit while juggling their busy lives? It's a question that often teases our minds, especially when we're caught up in the whirlwind of our daily routines. The secret, however, isn't as elusive as it may seem. It's all about integrating a few key habits into our lives, habits that center around maintaining our health. In today's world, health is more than just the absence of disease. It's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. And when we're healthy, every facet of our lives, from our work to our relationships, reaps the benefits. It's the foundation upon which we build our lives, and it's something we must not take for granted. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into 5 practical tips that can help you maintain and even improve your health. So if you've been looking for ways to improve your health, you're in the right place. Tip number 1, the cornerstone of good health, a balanced diet. It's crucial to understand that each food group has a unique role in maintaining our overall health. Whole grains, for instance, provide us with energy, while proteins repair our body tissues. Fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals boost our immunity, and dairy products lend to our bone health. Fats, though often vilified, are essential too, in moderation. Remember, the key to a balanced diet is variety, moderation, and nutrition. Moving on to tip number 2, regular exercise. This is an essential element of a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise does wonders for your body and mind. It strengthens your heart and lungs, boosts your mood, and can even sharpen your mental acuity. There's a wide range of exercises to choose from, each offering unique benefits. Cardiovascular exercises such as jogging or cycling are excellent for heart health and endurance. Strength training, like lifting weights or bodyweight exercises, is great for building muscle and bone strength. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching enhance balance and mobility. And let's not forget the benefits of simply taking a brisk walk or dancing around your living room. The key is to find an exercise you enjoy so it becomes less of a chore and more of a pleasure. Remember, the goal isn't to become an athlete overnight, but to incorporate movement into your daily life. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Our third tip is something many of us neglect: adequate sleep. Sleep is the unsung hero of good health. It rejuvenates us, enhances our mood, and even bolsters our immune system. On the flip side, lack of sleep can lead to a host of problems, including fatigue, impaired concentration, and increased susceptibility to illnesses. In a world where burning the midnight oil is often glorified, remember that a well-rested body is a healthier body. Don't compromise on your sleep. It's as important as eating healthy and exercising. Tip number 4 is simple but often overlooked: hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health. It aids digestion, boosts energy levels, and even enhances skin complexion. But how can we ensure we're drinking enough water each day? Try incorporating water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet. You can also make a habit of sipping water throughout the day, not just when you're parched. Keep a water bottle at hand. It can be your constant reminder. Remember, if you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Our final tip is to stay on top of your health with regular checkups. Imagine your body as a sophisticated machine. It requires regular servicing to ensure it's running smoothly, right? This is where regular checkups come into play. They're like your body's routine service, keeping tabs on your overall health and catching any potential issues before they escalate. Healthcare professionals can spot early signs of diseases even before symptoms surface through routine screenings and tests. Regular checkups can identify risk factors and help prevent or delay certain health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and various types of cancer. Moreover, these checkups provide an opportunity to update your vaccines and boost your immunity against various diseases. It's also a chance to discuss any health concerns or lifestyle changes with your doctor, ensuring you're on the right track. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. So, prioritize those regular checkups and make them part of your health routine. Regular checkups are your best defense against health issues. To sum up, our 5 essential tips for maintaining good health are: a balanced diet, brimming with a variety of nutrients; regular exercise to keep your body active and strong; adequate sleep, as it's the key to rejuvenation; staying hydrated because water is life; and regular checkups to prevent or detect any potential health issues early. Each of these elements play a vital role in preserving your well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it.